In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two Canva projects. Merging two designs in Canva basically means moving pages from one project into another so everything lives in a single file. I'll walk you through it slowly and share a few tips to keep things tidy. Start on the Canva homepage. On the left sidebar, click Projects to see all of your designs and folders. Open the project that contains the page or pages you want to bring over. This will be your source project. Inside the editor, look along the bottom toolbar for the grid view icon. Click it to switch from the canvas to a thumbnail view of all pages in this project. Grid view makes it easy to select exactly what you want. On the page thumbnail you plan to move, click the three dots to open more options, then choose Copy. If you need more than one page, first select multiple thumbnails in grid view by holding Shift while you click, and then use Copy. Keyboard fans can also press Command or Control+C to copy after selecting. Now head to the project that will receive the content. You can return to projects and open it from there, or switch to it if you already have it open. This is your destination project. Once it's open, click the grid view button at the bottom here as well, so you can paste directly among its page thumbnails. With the destination grid in view, paste what you copied. Use Command or Control+V, or right-click and choose Paste. Canva will insert the copied page or pages into this project automatically. After pasting, you can drag the new thumbnails to reorder them, place them between existing pages, or move them to the end. Everything you copied, text, images, colors, and most effects, comes over intact. If something looks slightly different, check that both projects use the same fonts and brand settings. You can safely exit Grid View to preview the merged pages on the canvas, then hop back into Grid View if you want to adjust placement again. Canva auto-saves as you go, so there's nothing extra you need to do to keep these changes. That's all it takes to merge two Canva projects. Open projects, choose the source design, copy from Grid View, open the destination design, go to Grid View, and paste. Use multi-select for batches and drag to arrange for a clean, organized final file. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.